Hello everyone, it's Jason again with myrvresource.com. It's like the yellow pages for RV services. Today I'm bringing you another weekly one reason to get an RV inspection. And I'm up here on the roof of this Class C. It's a 2017. And I found something that I think is ridiculous. So this is something that a Lemon Squad wouldn't find because they don't get on the roof of these RVs. So let's just take a quick look here. That is a plumbing vent. And how did they fix that plumbing vent? They put a paint cap on it. A spray paint cap. How long do you think that's going to last going down the road? 60, 65 mile an hour. Not long. So the worst part of this is you can literally buy that part for about $5 on Amazon. Use the cap, one screw, takes 30 seconds. And this is why people need to get an RV inspection. You never know what's going to be on that RV that you're wanting to purchase. So, with your weekly one reason to get an RV inspection, this is Jason. You have a nice day.